Video, we're going to talk about how to evaluate common logarithms. A common logarithm is a logarithm with a base of 10, and it's usually written without the base. So the log of 5 is going to be the same as the log base 10 of 5. So the common logarithm can be rewritten in exponential form. So if we have the log of y equals x, that means 10 to the x equals y. And we know that because the base here is going to be 10, and if we draw in our arrows, we can convert this to exponential form, 10 to the x equals y. You can rewrite exponential equations that have a base of 10 as common logarithms. If we have 10 to the x equals y, remember we can turn that into a logarithm by saying, well, this is the log base 10, right? Because it's always going to have the same base. Log base 10 of y equals x, because remember we can draw the arrows to help guide us. Well, we don't usually write it as log base 10. When it's base 10, we're just going to write it as log of y equals x. So let's practice now rewriting in exponential form and logarithmic form. So if we have the log of 1000 equals 3, remember that means the base of 10. So I can draw in my arrows, and that's going to be now 10 to the third is equal to 1000. We can also go the other direction, rewrite in logarithmic form. If we have 10 to the 2 equals 100, well, remember that's going to be the log base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. We don't write the log base 10, we're just going to write it as log. So this is going to be the same as the log of 100 is equal to 2. So common logs can be evaluated with a calculator, which is why they're very useful. So if I want to evaluate log of 7 or log of 0.5, I'm just going to go over here to Desmos, and I can just type log 7. So when I type log 7, what I'm going to do is round this to 4 decimal places, because that's the convention when we're working with logarithms. So this is going to be approximately 0.8451. And if I go ahead now and evaluate the log of 0.5, I'm just going to type log into Desmos and then 0.5. And you can see that's approximately negative 0.3010. So now you can go ahead and pause the video and try doing these examples on your own. So here we have the log of 21 and the log of 0.4. So all I'm going to do is go over here to Desmos and type in these two values. So I have the log of 21 and the log of 0.4. You can see here the log of 21 is approximately 1.3222, and the log of 0.4 is negative 0.3979. So the common logarithm is a logarithm with a base of 10, and it can be evaluated using a calculator, which makes it very useful when we're working on solving problems.